Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn Figma design into a website. So for today's video we're going to use Framer Framer rates. So you're going to basically create your design. So I just created this landing page, and now what we want to do is go ahead here to plugins, resources, and just on plugins just write down Framer. And you will see this option Figma HTML to Framer, so you want to run it. But of course, first of all, you will need to sign up to Framer. So let's just copy to clipboard. And now you will need to paste it into Framer. So you can actually start for free, as you can see. Let me log in. Now, once we are on Framer, we want to adjust the width. So on Figma, it is 1440. So let's do that. And also let's change the height to 2077. So it just would fit the same. And now all you have to do is basically paste. And let's allow this option. As you can see, it's now uploading, and you can watch a tutorial if you don't know how it works, but that's basically it. You just pasted it to Framer. Now, what we want to do is actually to edit it to be more responsive. So, for example, if I move this, as you can see, not everything really moves. So we need to actually edit everything. So as you can see, the width is fixed, but what we want to do is click on fill. Now, once we've done that, fill, when you move the page, as you can see, everything moves. And now we want to add a breakpoint. So we want to create a phone. So we want to make everything fit here. So you go ahead on this font, and we need now to make the font smaller. So let's make this one smaller. Also the landing page one, like so. This one too. Let's make it so it would fit our phone page, like so. And of course, we can drag down this image here, or we can make it through the whole page too, like so. Now again, here doesn't fit, so we need to make everything smaller. But basically, that's how you edit everything. You make this everything smaller to fit, just like so. So just drag it like so. Let's add the site name right there, and maybe it would be a great option to make this more at the top. Basically, you can navigate it and change the position like so. Again, we can put it up there and edit everything there. Again, we want to make a tablet, just like so. Here it looks almost everything okay. And basically that's how you create those pages on Framer with Figma Design. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.